Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to block traffic by IP or country from visiting your website in SiteGround. To do that, visit siteground.com website, then click on this login button, fill in your login credentials and hit login again. Now go to the websites page from this top menu. And next to your website, you want to block traffic to visit it, click on this Site Tools button. Now, to block traffic from visiting my website, I will go to Security and click on Blocked Traffic. And from this blocked traffic page, you can block traffic by IP or by country. But before that, blocking traffic to your website can significantly improve its performance or even prevent your website from being hacked. If you notice suspicious activity, for example, malicious content posting or using too much bandwidth coming from a specific IP or country you do not operate in, you can block the traffic from this IP or the entire country by using this tool. First, let's see how to block traffic by IP. Select your domain from this list if you have multiple ones, and here fill in your IP you want to block or an IP range. One of the ways you can use to know the IPs of your website visitors is to go to this statistics page and click on this access log. Select your domain name, and here you can see the IP addresses that visited or accessed your website. Now let's copy this IP, go back to the blocked traffic page and paste this IP, hit this block page, and now the visitor using this IP address is blocked from accessing your website. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace. And let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You can edit the IP range from here or delete this block. Now let's see how to block traffic by country. Same thing, select your domain name from this list, then select the country you want to block. Let's say that people from Mali, for example, are doing bad things on our website. For example, they use too much bandwidth or they post malicious content. Select the country from this list. Let's say Sweden traffic is causing us troubles. Select it and hit block again. Now Sweden was successfully added to the blocked countries list for your website. To undo this action, you can delete it from here below actions. Confirm your deletion. And as you can see, the block list was removed. And this is how to block traffic from accessing your website using IP or country. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.